Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use IAM service in AWS account. So this is my AWS architecture diagram and I have created an IAM user, the sample diagram. So go to IAM in the AWS. So this is IAM service which we use it to. IAM is called Identity and Access Management. So the first step is users, roles, policies and user groups. I am aware of these user groups, users, roles and policies. I am not aware of these settings. So if you want to give an access and also you can change the URL, you can create here. So some people cannot remember the account ID. So we can create as this is my alias name. So I can give the URL to another person to log in. Save changes. So I have a user. Delete the user, the existing one. So create a user. IAM test user. So password access. So defaultly when you create a user, IAM user change password policy will be attached to the same role. So to the user. So click on next permissions, attach existing policies directly. Go to the administrator access. I am giving the administrator access role. Go to tags. You can give the tags if you need it. Create user. So this is where so you need to download the file. 1 second. So go to the file. So this is my URL which is I customized my own login URL for the AWS console side. So if you can log into the same page with the IAM user. IAM test user. The password. So when you sign into login page, you need to change your password for the first time. This is the old password. The password should match all the policies. It should be alphanumeric. So this is where an IAM test user can log into the AWS account. This is my account ID. So this is my URL. So let's get back to the admin console. So this is where you can change your customized URL with the alias name. This is how the user can log into the using your customized URL. So go to the users. So this user is having admin access and he can change his own password to reset the password. So go to the roles. These are the roles you can create and you can attach to EC2 instance or any Lambda functions or any user. So these are the policies which you need to attach with the roles or users. So I'm having 973 policies in my AWS account. So go to the user groups. I'll show you how to create a user group. Suppose R and D group is there. So this is an R&D group. I'm adding a user. If you want to attach existing policies, you can attach. Create a group. It should be no spaces and it should be in a clean without alphanumeric characters or special characters. So the group has been created. So in your organization, people will come and go. sometimes a user comes and sometimes maybe he's changed his decision and he can move into some other organization. So this other time, if you create a user with the username as test1, and he can give the access key, programmatic key access, and attach any existing policies like you need to access like API gateway, invoke API gateway administrator access. So if you create a user with the same name, test1 user, so he can able to log in with his credentials, and sometimes what happens is the user will be left the organization, the test1 user. So you no need to create and attach the all-time existing policies which the user is having. So you can go to user groups. You have created in a group. You can add users here with the group. You can add or you can delete here. So this will be very easy while creating the users. So I want the user is left my organization, so I can delete the user from here and remove the user. This is where IAM will work in the user groups. So this is users where you can attach policies to your users, and you can create a roles for the existing EC2 instance which is in running state, or you need to link with any Lambda functions or any other. So if you want to give S3 full access or anything, SSM manager instance core or any other policies, you can attach to the role. So this is where IAM is. So go to dashboard. This is my customer user URL, and if you want to delete the alias account name, you can delete here. So that is done. I already showed you the previously how to enable the MFA, so you can watch the MFA video in my videos. So this is where IAM will work, the IAM service. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos. Let me know if you have any doubts or queries. Please post in the comment box. Thank you.